Hello, and welcome to cuTheme Mastery Training Module 4. In this video, we will go over Power BI Embeds. Power BI is Microsoft's data visualization application, allowing users to showcase data in creative and engaging ways. In cuTheme, you have the option to embed Power BI dashboards directly within pages on your site. To embed a Power BI dashboard, go to the Block Selection menu, scroll down to Embeds, and select Power BI Embed. Similar to video embeds, you will need to copy and paste a Power BI URL and paste it within the block. I have this link here, but you can get links to your dashboards by copying the URL directly from Power BI. Make sure your link is valid, if not there will be an error message that pops up, and select Embed. And just like that, the dashboard is now embedded within your page.